Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Halloween face paint on the market, the UCANBE Athena Face Body Paint Oil Palette. Whether you're gearing up for a costume party, cosplay event, or just want to create some stunning special effects makeup, this palette promises to deliver vibrant, professional quality results. This face and body paint palette comes packed with 20 creamy, highly pigmented colors. The palette is designed in a sturdy plastic case that's easy to carry and perfect for on-the-go creativity. The colors range from basic shades like black, white, brown, red, yellow, blue, and green, to shimmering metallic gold and silver, giving you a versatile range for any design you want to create. What sets this palette apart is its oil-based formula. Unlike water-based paints, this oil-based paint provides richer color saturation and a smoother application that glides effortlessly on both face and body. The cream consistency allows for easy blending and layering of colors to achieve intricate looks and effects. It's also flexible once dried, which means it resists cracking while still drying quickly to a smudge-proof, durable finish. Safety is key, especially when applying makeup to sensitive skin, and UCANBE has you covered. This paint is non-toxic and gentle, suitable for both kids and adults. It's hypoallergenic and made from high-quality ingredients that are comfortable to wear for hours at festivals, theater performances, or Halloween parties. Applying the paint is straightforward. Start by cleansing your skin to ensure a smooth base. You can use a sponge or brush to apply the colors, and even your fingers to blend and create detailed effects. The formula dries quickly, so you can layer colors without waiting too long. When you're done, removing the paint is simple too. Just use an oil-based makeup remover or olive oil, followed by your regular facial cleanser and water. This ensures you get rid of all the paint without harsh scrubbing. The palette is compact yet provides a professional range of shades that support endless creativity. Whether you're designing a spooky clown look, a majestic crown, bruises, blood effects, or intricate cosplay designs, the UCANBE Athena palette gives you the tools to bring your vision to life. Dimensions-wise, the palette measures roughly 8 by 3 inches and weighs under 10 ounces, making it a convenient addition to any makeup kit. The package even includes a sponge brush for immediate use, although many artists recommend using various brushes for more precise detailing. Overall, the UCANBE Athena Face Body Paint Oil Palette stands out for its vibrant pigmentation, ease of use, and long-lasting, flexible finish. It's a solid choice if you want a reliable, safe, and creative makeup palette for your Halloween or special effects needs. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a high-quality face paint palette that combines professional results with safety and versatility, this could be the perfect pick. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product critiques. See you next time.